Hello folks, today I'm looking at I'm looking at a garage. What started this was actually the basement cracking, but we come out here and I start seeing I'm in the garage now, and you can see my line here, my floor's dropped, and it has dropped a lot. We'll talk about that in a few minutes here. But see right here, so right in through here, see my line right there? That line is where the concrete used to be, and it's washed out that much. So, you're looking at approximately, well, about 4 or 5 inches that it's dropped. Now, why did it drop? That's the problem. We know how we can mud jack it, we can fix it, but this is what we really need to do, is that we got to figure out why first. So I was looking around, and we're getting some washout. Now, I know this land around here, and it's plastic soil. You want to learn more about plastic soils and the different types of soils, check out our Consumer Construction Advocacy Institute, and and they'll be talking more about that, and we're going to be sharing more information about that, but to help people so they educate them more about what's happening, so they don't have this happen. But see, I got washout here, and you can see the line up here again. You can see the stain line where it used to be, and it's settled. Now you see we got fresh dirt, so they know they've had a problem and it's washing away, so they try. But on this dirt here, they should be putting like sod or seed or straw or something. This is going to wash away. Just raw dirt laying on the ground ain't going to do nothing. And just to prove my point, look at this right here. It's already dropping. Look at that. See that? So it's already settling, and you got holes in it, so we're still getting washout happening. So folks, hey, when you get a problem like this washout, or you got your collapsing of your garage floors or garage or driveways, anything like that, just know that it can be corrected, but just don't put a band-aid on a pig here. You got to fix it. You got to take care of it, and this is what's happening. And so they just thought they was trying to do something good, but sadly, they're not. Now, I'm going to give some of this problem to right here. I wouldn't doubt in my underground drain right here. Whoop, you can see it's kind of fading in and out, but this underground drain of mine is literally probably broken down here, and as it's going down here to daylight out to the back, it's probably just also leaking and leaching all the way through. So they're just creating problems in a multitude of ways. Well, I hope this has been informational. Hey, text us with any questions or any of your experiences, or put on responses. And folks, hey, hit like and subscribe. That would really help us help other people, so we can get more people have a chance to see our videos, and we just share the information. I'm not charging anything for this. I'm just trying to help folks. Well, anyway, thank you, folks. Have a great day. God bless you all. Hit like and subscribe, and help the other people. Pay it forwards. All right, thanks, guys, folks, girls.